Next problem. Solve d power 4 plus 2d square plus 1 into y equal to x square into cosine x. X square into cosine x. Now, first equation d power 4 plus 2d square plus 1 into y equal to x square into cosine x equation 1 is non-linear, is a non-homogeneous constant quotient linear differential equation. First consider homogeneous differential equation d power 4 plus 2d square plus 1 into y equal to 0, equation 2. What is the characteristic equation or auxiliary equation is? Characteristic equation is what? F of m equal to 0. That implies m to the power of 4 plus 2 m to the power of 2 plus 1 equal to 0, right? That is equal to, I think it is m square plus 1 whole square equal to 0. That is m square plus 1 equal to 0 and m square plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, what are the roots are? Roots are m equal to, for the first one plus or minus I and second one also plus or minus I. Complex and repeated. Roots are what? Complex and repeated 2 times. Complex and repeated 2 times. Therefore, complementary function is C dot F. Complementary function is YC equal to what? YC equal to what? Real part is 0 anyway. So C1, B value is 1. C1 cos x. Sorry, repeated 2 times. So instead of constant, I have to write first degree polynomial. That is C1 plus C2x into cosine x plus C3 plus C4x. C3 plus C4x into sin x. This is equation 3. Any doubts? Now, the particular integral is yp equal to 1 over f of d into q of x. That is equal to, this gives 1 by, what is f of d power 4 plus 2d square plus 1 into, what is this, x square into cosine x. So what is the model? 1 by f of d into x to the power of k into v of x model. And this is cosine x, cosine mx model, cosine mx model. So what I have to write? This is 1 by d power 4 plus 2d square plus 1 x square into real part of what? E to the power of ix. Real part of what? E to the power of ix. Now, write e to the real part in front. And this is, I can write d plus d square plus 1 whole square I can write. So e to the power of ix into x square. Now what is the model? This is 1 by f of d into e power ax into v of x model. So what is the answer for this? E power ax is operated by replacing d by d plus a into v of x. Replace d by d plus a, e power ax into v of x model, right? That is equal to real part of e to the power of ix. Now right in front. So replace d by what? What is the a value? A value is what? I. So replace d by d plus I whole square plus 1, this whole square into x square. Clear? E power ix right in front and replace d by d plus I. So what is this? Becomes real part of e to the power of ix 1 over, if I expand this, d square minus 1 plus 2di plus 1, this whole square into x square, whole square into x square. That is equal to real part of e to the power of ix, real part of e to the power of ix 1 by this plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, and what I'm getting, d square plus 2di into x square. Now what is the model? 1 by f of d into x power k model. So what I have to write, express this as 1 plus phi of d x power k. Then take this one to numerator, 1 plus phi of d whole power minus 1 into x power k. So I have to express this one as what?
Sir, it is d square plus 2di whole square.
Done. Okay, no problem. Whole square, right? Now, whatever it is, f of this function is completely f of d. This function is f of d. I have to express this as 1 plus phi of d. 1 plus phi of d. I told you in the last class, 1 plus phi of d means what? Take the least degree term as common. That means 2di is common. Outside it becomes whole square. Then 1 plus d square by 2di whole square into x square. Now, what is this is real part of e to the power of ix, and I will write this is minus 4 here and 1 by d square here. This one 4i square, that is minus 4, and d square here. Don't write d square in front because it is operator. And 1 by, what is this is 1 plus d by 2i. D by 2i whole square into x square. Whole square into x square. Now, this is equal to real part of minus e to the power of ix by 4 into 1 by d square. Now, take this to numerator. 1 plus phi of d form whole power minus 2 into x square. I already given formula once again. What is the formula? 1 plus x whole power n formula 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 by factorial 2 x square, n into n minus 1 n minus 2 by factorial 3 x cube, and so on. This is the formula. Okay, series expansion formula. So here, what is the n value? N value is what? Negative 2. And what is x value? This is 1 plus x. This is the x value. D by 2a is the x value. Now, let me use the principle. By 4, 1 by d square, and what is the expansion? 1 plus nx. N means this, x means d by 2i, plus, and how many terms are required? X square. For x square, how many derivatives exist? Only 2 derivatives, that is up to d square is enough. Third derivative, and those are negligible. Now n into n minus 1 by factorial 2 into x square, and so on. This is multiplied by x square, whole bracket closed. Whole bracket closed. Now, this is real part of negative e to the power of ix by 4, 1 over d square. Now take x square inside, x square, minus 2 gets cancelled, 1 over I, d of x square, next one, 2 gets cancelled, minus plus, and this 2 gets cancelled, minus plus, and 2i is there. That means 4i. 3 by 4 I square means what? Negative. Here I square means what? Negative. 3 by 4, and what is this? D square, you will get x square. That's it. Remaining terms are zeros. No need to write. And whole bracket closed. 0. Remaining derivatives of x square are zeros. Real part of negative e to the power of ix by 4, 1 over d square of what? Now x square, multiply divided by I. Multiply divided by, don't keep items in denominator, and this is 2x, minus 3 by 4 into 2. This is floor bracket closed. Next step, this is real part of minus e to the power of ix by 4, 1 by d square of what? 1 by d square of what? X square, plus 2ix minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. Here 1 by d stands for integral dx. 1 by d square stands for double integral. 2 times integration. 2 times integration. So real part of minus e to the power of ix by 4, minus e to the power of ix by 4, 1 by d I will take first. That means x cube by 3 plus ix square minus 3x by 2. One integration is over. Next, another integration, minus e to the power of ix by 4 into x to the power of 4 by 12 plus ix cube by 3 minus 3x square by 4. 3x square by 4, right? Now, as I told you, keep e power ix terms outside and take every term inside. So minus x power 4 by 48 minus ix cube by 12 plus 3x square by 16. Now you write e power ix. What is e power ix? Real part of this is cosine x plus I sin x multiplied by write real parts together. I am taking 3x square by 16 minus x power 4 by 48 together minus I into x cube by 12, imaginary part, this one, right? So in this one, what are the real parts? If I consider this together, cosine into this is real part, I into I square. So that gives real part. So what is the real part? Select the real part in this product, that is 3x square by 16 minus x power 4 by 48 multiplied by cosine x and minus I into I square minus plus. This is x cube by 12 into sin x. This is equation 4. Therefore, general solution is, GS means general solution is y of x equal to yc plus yp. Yc plus yp. So what is y of x equal to? C1 plus C2x into cosine x plus C3 plus C4x into sin x plus 3x square by 16 x to the power of 4 by 48 into cosine x plus x cube by 12 into sin x. This is the answer. Any doubts? This is one model problem. Next question. Solve. Now on the right side, product of three functions, d square minus 4d plus 4 into y equal to 8 into x square into e power 2x into sine 2x. Solution: d square minus 4d plus 4 into y equal to 8. X square is one function, e to the power of 2x is another function, sine 2x is another function. So on the right side, the function is product of three different functions. Product of three different functions. So first, homogeneous. First consider homogeneous differential equation. What is that? D square minus 4d plus 4 into y equal to 0. What is the auxiliary equation is? F of m equals to 0. M to the m square minus 4m plus 4 equal to 0. That implies m equal to what are the roots? 2 comma 2. 2 comma 2. Therefore, complementary function is yc equal to 2 times repeated. So, first degree polynomial into e power 2x. Equation 3. Now, particular integral is yp equal to 1 by f of d. What is that? D square minus 4d plus 4. 8 I can write constant directly in the numerator. And what are the functions? X square e power 2x into sine 2x. So among all these functions, you treat this as 8 by d square minus 4d plus 4 e power 2x. First you operate this and take x square sine 2x together. So what is the model? This is e power ax into v of x model. E power ax into v of x model. Okay. So what is this? Is 8 by, I will write this is d minus 2 whole square e power 2x into x square sine 2x. No need to write as d minus 2. You can directly replace d by d plus 2. But the thing is here, 8 into e power 2x. If I replace d by d plus 2, d plus 2 minus 2, both 2 gets cancelled. That is why I have written in this manner. X square into, otherwise you just replace d by d plus 2, automatically after expansion you will get the same. This is 8 into e to the power of 2x 1 by just d square sine 2x. Isn't it right? Okay. Now, what is the model again? One can do in double integration of x square sine 2x. That is also answer. You can do double integration of x square sine 2x. Okay. But what I'm doing here, again, I'm applying the procedure only. 1 by d square x square into what? Sine 2x can be written as imaginary part of 2ix. Imaginary part of 2ix. That is equal to 8 into e to the power of 2x 1 by d square. Then you write like this better. 8 into e to the power of 2x. Then imaginary part of what? 1 by d square e to the power of 2ix into x square. 2ix into x square. Now again, what is the model? E power ax into v of x model, right? So again applying e to the power of 2x, imaginary part of e to the power of 2x is now operated. Then replace d by what? D plus 2i whole square into x square. Done. Now x power k model. Now x power k model, imaginary part of e to the power of 2ix. What is x power k model? What is the common? I have to take least degree, that is 2i. Whole square is common, 1 plus d by 2i whole square into x square. Right? That is equal to 8 into e to the power of 2x. Imaginary part of this is minus 4. E to the power of 2ix by 4. And you take this to numerator, d1 plus pi of d structure whole to the power of minus 2 x square. Just now we applied formula, same formula is applicable here. Imaginary part of negative e to the power of 2ix by 4. What is the expansion? 1 plus n value is minus 2. This is x value, nx plus n into n minus 1 by factorial 2 x square. Since x square is there, two derivatives are enough. That is up to d square expansion is enough. So 8 into e to the power of 2x, imaginary part of negative e to the power of 2ix over 4, take x square inside, minus 1 by i d of x square. Now 2 gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled, 4 and minus is there. This is minus 3 by 4 d square of x square and remaining term 0. Bracket closed. This is equal to 8 into e to the power of 2x, imaginary part of by 4. This is x square, multiply divided by I by minus 1. This is 2x minus 6 by 4. Isn't it right? D square of x square, this value 2, 6 by 4. Now, this equal to 8 into e to the power of 2x, imaginary part of e to the power of 2ix, and take minus 1 by 4 inside, minus x by 4, and minus 2ix by 4. Next minus plus 6 by 16. 6 by 16. Now this equal to 8 into e to the power of 2x. Imaginary part of this is cosine 2x plus I sine 2x multiplied by, take real parts together, 6 by 16 minus x square by 4 together minus ix by 2. Now in this one I have to pick up what? Imaginary. Imaginary means what? Contains items. So these two. So take the product. 8 into e to the power of 2x of what? First one is minus x by 2 into cosine 2x and plus 6 by 16 means what? 3 by 8. 3 by 8 minus x square by 4 of sine 2x. This is YP, equation 4. That's it. Okay. Therefore, general solution is y of x equal to yc plus yp. You combine those two, yc plus yp. This is one problem. Okay. And in exercise, yeah, just I will give hints only. You try those problems. Solve. Where is cosine hx? Some problem. D square plus 2d plus 1 into y equal to cosine hx. Cosine hx. Just hint I am giving. Complementary function you can calculate. What is d plus 1 whole square? So what is yc? D plus 1 whole square means negative 1. 2 times repeated. So this is yc. Coming to yp, 1 by d square plus 2d plus 1 into cosine hx. So you write this as cosine hx. There is no formula, but cosine hx formula, there is no method, but cosine hx, you know the formula, right? So problem is now transformed to what? E power 1 by d square plus 2d plus 1 into e power x plus 1 by d square plus 2d plus 1 into e power minus x. Done? Okay, since minus 1 is the root, I think this part will be 0. When this part will be 0, put 1x. Okay, let me complete fastly. This is 1 over 2. This is e power x by, if I replace d by 1, 1 plus 2 plus 1. And if I replace d by negative 1, you will get 0. Right? So, this equal to 1 over 2 e to the power of x by 4 plus 1 by d square derivative plus 2d derivative 2. Is it correct? D square, yeah, 2d into e power minus x and put 1x in numerator, right? This is e power x by 4. If I replace again d by minus 1, this is minus 2 plus 2 e power minus x. Again it becomes 0. Again it becomes 0. So 1 by 2 e power x by 4. Again 1 more x, x into x square. Derivative of 2d plus 2, 2 into e power minus x. That's it. There is no d term here. Now this is yp. This is yp. Next question. D square plus 3d plus 2y. 3d plus 2. 3d plus 2 into y equal to 4 cosine square x. So solution, hint only. Hint is you can solve this problem. D square plus 3d plus 2 into y equal to 4. Cosine square x can be written as 1 plus cos 2x by 2. 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Is it correct? Right. So d square plus 3d plus 2 into y equal to 1 is 2 plus another one is 2 cosine 2x. So you can find yc obviously. Coming to yp, d square plus 3d plus 2 into 2. 2 means what? 2 right here. 2 constant means what? I already told you, e power 0x plus 2 by d square plus 3d plus 2 into cosine 2x. You know the method. You can solve this now. You can solve this, right? Another one is d cube minus 5d square plus 7d minus 3 into y equal to e to the power of 2x into cosine hx. Cosine hx. Okay, you try this. The logic is what? Just I'm giving on the RHS part. You write e power x plus e power minus x by 2. So what is this becomes? E to the power of 3x by 2 is one function. E to the power of x by 2 is another function. You can solve this, right? And auxiliary equation you find first root by trial. First root by trial. Next one. X to the power of, you need actually single problem. Yeah. D power 4 minus 1 into y equal to cos x into cosine hx. Cos x into cosine hx. Okay. For this hint is yp is only, you can calculate the remaining d power 4 cosine x into cosine hx. So 1 by d power 4 minus 1 cosine x into e power x plus e power minus x by 2. So yp in two parts, 1 by d power 4 minus 1, 1 by 2 outside, 1 by 2 into, what is this, e power x into cosine x is one question. Another one is 1 by d power 4 minus 1, e to the power of minus x into cosine x is another one. So what is the model? This model is what? E power ax into cosine x model. This model is also same, e power ax into cosine x model. Here a is 1, here a is negative 1. So write cosine x as real part. Cosine x as real part. And one more. Solve product of three functions. Yeah. D square y by dx square plus 2 into dy by dx plus y equal to x square e to the power of minus x cosine x. You can solve. This is also assignment. Whatever the problems I am not solving, all those are assignment problems. I need to tell you x to the power of k, only involving x to the power of k. Let me check any problem is there. For example, combination is there always. Yeah, one more problem. Solve d square plus 1 whole square into y equal to x to the power of 4 plus 2 sin x into cosine 3x into cosine 3x. For this problem, hint is yp I am telling, okay, and what is yc? Okay, let me tell you yc also for this problem. What is auxiliary equation? Auxiliary equation is m square plus 1 whole square equal to 0. So m square equal to, what is m square plus 1 equal to 0 2 times. Done. M equal to plus or minus I and plus or minus I. You write yc. Done. Coming to yp, 1 by d square plus 1 whole square, x to the power of 4 is one part, 1 by d square plus 1, 2 sin x into cosine 3x. Now this is none, there is no method available, sin x into cosine 3x. If single function is there, yes, sin x, cosine 3x, separate functions are there, method is available. Now for this, for the first one, x power 4, x power k model, how to solve? 1 plus phi of d, already it is of the same form. So take it to the numerator form, x to the power of 4, and coming to this part, 2 sin a cos b formula, sin a plus b, sin a plus b plus sin a minus b, sin 2x. This is minus, right? 2 sin a cos b formula, sin a plus b plus sin a minus b, right? Okay, now again the problem is same. This is what is expansion? 1 plus nx plus x power 4 is there. So up to 4 derivatives required, minus 2, n into n minus 1 by factorial 2, x square. That's it. D power 4 is over. So no need of remaining terms. This is over. Plus 1 by d square plus 1 sin 4x minus 1 by d square plus 1 sin 2x. Okay, right? This is equal to 1 minus, take x power 4 inside, x power 4 minus 2 into d square of x power 4, 2 gets cancelled, negative negative plus 3 d power 4 of x power 4, and remaining terms are zeros, plus this one. What is this one? Sin mx model. Replace d square by minus m square.
So it is d square plus 1 whole square.
Where, wait, yeah, whole square is there, right? d square plus 1 whole square is there. Yeah, whole square is here, whole square is here, right? Now this is what minus, replace d square by minus 4 square, minus 16 plus 1 whole square, sine 4x is 1 plus, sorry, minus 1 by, same, replace d square by minus, here m value 2, so minus 4 plus 1 whole square, sine 2x. Okay, so this is equal to x to the power of 4 minus 2. What is this? 4x cube, 12x square, 12x square. And this is 4 factorial. How much? D power 4 of 4, 24. 24 3s are 72. And coming to this, minus 15. Minus 15 means 15 15s are sine 4x. And this is 3 minus 1 by 9 sine 2x. This is yp. This is yp. Now, any doubts in the models? All the 4 models we have discussed. What is that? First case, I'm particularly giving yp 1 by f of d into e power ax model, 1 by f of d into sine mx, sin mx, or cosine mx model, or mx plus c model, 1 by f of d into e power ax into separate models I am giving, sin mx, or 1 by f of d into e power ax into cos mx. Okay, we did this problem also. Another one, 1 by f of d into e power ax into x power k also we did, right? Next one, 1 by f of d into x to the power of k into v of x model we did, right? Particularly v of x, not v of x, it is sin mx, or 1 by f of d into x to the power of k into cos mx we did, right? And one more short formula, what is that? 1 by f of d into x into v of x also we did, right? These are the methods all, and x power k is also there now. Lastly, 1 by f of d into x to the power of k. These are the methods and the problems. Any doubts in this topic? Any doubts? In yesterday's class also, if any doubts, you can raise the questions.